What's the meaning of coxswain? Coxswain. Coxswain.
Coxswain. Coxswain. A coxswain is a person who steers and directs a boat or a ship. They are typically responsible for the safety of the crew and passengers, and also must have a good understanding of navigation and weather conditions. In addition to steering, a coxswain may also be responsible for motivating and managing the crew during a race or other competitive event. The role of a coxswain is critical to the success of any rowing team or boating crew, and requires both technical skill and leadership abilities.